So here is one of the new books we picked up at the nursery book sale. The Wizard's Cat. Hello, cat. I wish I wasn't a cat. I'm tired of that. Who would you like to be? Like to be someone better than me. Alakazam, alakazee, be a sailor on the sea. No, no, the sea's too rough for me. Fiddle-dee-dee, now you shall be a monkey up a tree. No, no, the tree's too high for me. Grumble, rumble, fo-fum-fee, what about a bumblebee? No, no, I don't want hairy knees, and flowers make me sneeze. Hippity-hoppity-skippity-roo, be a rabbit, that's best for you. No, I don't think it's funny being a bunny. Then split, splat, be a wizard's cat. Yes, I like that. Happy now? Yes, now I can see it's best to be me.